Well, good afternoon, everybody. It's a beautiful Saturday. I had to get up and do some work this morning, so yay. But gotta make the money, right? Anyhow, so what happened yesterday in the market? Yesterday was a bit of a bloodbath. What does that mean by that? If you were invested in the market, probably saw your investments go down. Okay, and this is going to happen if you're going to invest. You're going for a ride, as they say. So let's step back a minute and look at it and think and analyze, what does this mean? If when you invest in the market, you have to determine ahead of time, like, where's your threshold of pain? Meaning, if my investment goes down 10%, I'm freaking out. If it goes down 5%, I'm freaking out. If it goes down 25%, then I'm starting to freak out. You have to figure out where your threshold of pain is, and you can, after you've purchased your securities, you can set things up to where you have stop limits. We'll go over that probably Monday or Tuesday, maybe in more detail then. Today, I just want to kind of verbally walk through it and get your mind thinking. But you have to set in your mind's eye where that threshold is at, meaning at what point do you trigger a sell that I don't want to lose anymore. Okay? And you have to determine that, and then you go with that. It's kind of like, you set up your game plan. If you don't have a plan going into it, then you're going to emotionally trade, and that's where these big investment firms, that's where they make their money. Joe Schmuckatelli, if he sees the market dip down a little bit, he freaks out, he panics, he sells everything off because he's thinking, oh, I'm just a loser, I can't figure this stuff out. And when he does that, yeah, he's a loser. He loses big time, and the investment firms, Wall Street, they make money off of it. Um, for me, my portfolio was rapidly approaching about a 30% gain. I think now it is. Hold on, I'll tell you for sure. I don't remember the exact number. Hold on, I'll be right back. I gotta look at the screen. Right now, I'm sitting at like 12.5% gain. So yeah, that was a substantial drop. But you know what? I'm fine with that. I'm still profitable from where I was at. That's the only thing that matters to me, because I think the real gains are going to be seen over the next month. And so that's what I'm focused on, is I'm looking at the time frame to see if these securities bounce back to where I believe they're going. If they are, then I'm going to double and triple and quadruple on some of my investments. So that's where I'm at. You have to ride these out. Now, if you're not invested in the market, now again, Friday was a bloodbath. What does that mean? Well, for you, all right, or even if you are invested in the market, if you have additional cash that you're looking to invest, what that means is the stocks are on sale. Go find the sale that interests you the most and exploit it. Take advantage of it. Now, again, things that cause the market to go up and down, it's not necessarily what the company is doing or not doing and all that. It's the market is reacting to things all around the world. It could be reacting to the price of oil going up and down. It could be reacting to the value of the dollar going up and down, gold. And whenever you hear these investment people on TV, what do? They look at the main indicators. How's the Dow Jones looking? What's going on with the dollar? What's going on with crude? What's going on with gold? They start looking at these things, and they're looking at those for a reason. And they're looking at the 10-year Treasury, because those things trigger a lot of other tasks and activities that will then follow. It's kind of like a game of dominoes where you have them all they're standing up, and you touch one, and everything starts falling or so forth. It's the same thing with stocks, and that's meaning going up and going down. So anyhow, so the point being is they're on sale. You can pick up a good deal. I moved some money Friday, which means it will show up in my brokerage account on Monday. Usually takes a day. And I'm looking at, I picked up What did I pick up? Um, well, you know what? We'll talk about this on Monday. I kind of want to get outside and enjoy the weather. But anyways, the point being is I had a few dollars left in the account, and this particular security was trading for like 27 cents or 28 cents a share or some silly thing like that. So I picked up like 15 shares. In the investment world, we'd call that a scout, meaning you just grab a couple shares so you're now really kind of really keeping an eye on it. And if it starts looking good on Monday or Tuesday, then I'm going to pick up some more of that. I think I'm going to pick up some FET. It's trading for around, I think, 50 cents a share. I think I want to pick some of that up. And matter of fact, I'm going to talk to my grandson and, in essence, tell him that that's his money that I'll invest in it, and then get him kind of excited about looking at that and watching it and see what it does. So who knows? We'll see. Anyhow, hope you have a great weekend. Take care.